Modern prosthetics are quite remarkable. Some technologies allow amputees to feel what they're touching using artificial fingers, and progress is being made in mind-controlled prosthetics. However, prosthetics are not a novel invention. Hundreds or even thousands of years ago, artists created wonderful substitutes for persons who had lost a body part. Here are some famous prosthetics from history, ranging from a fat-filled eye to a murdered pharaoh missing a toe. The Hand of Prêles. In 2017, treasure seekers in Switzerland looked for riches near the town of Prêles. While doing so, they disturbed an ancient burial. They discovered a rib bone, a bronze knife, and a strange metal hand. When the treasure seekers submitted this cache to the Archaeological Service of the Canton of Bern, the hand was the main attraction. The artifact, which was somewhat smaller than a human hand, was composed of bronze and tin and included a gold cuff. It weighed about 18 ounces, 17 grams, and featured a hollow socket at the bottom. The latter aspect offered several potential applications for this enigmatic hand. Although none can be confirmed conclusively, the hand could have been a prosthetic, a ceremonial piece previously put on a scepter, or a component of a statue. The fact that it was buried beside the guy indicated that it was a prosthetic or merely a status symbol. Whatever it was, the remarkable artifact is Europe's earliest metal sculpture of a human body part, dating back 3,500 years. A special foot. In 2013, archaeologists discovered a grave while digging near a medieval church in southern Austria. It contains the remains of a male aged 35 to 50, buried between 8500 and 36 and 600. Artifacts found in this cemetery identified him as a member of the Franks, a group of Germanic tribes. However, it wasn't until 2016 that researchers revealed the most intriguing information about their discovery. The man wore a prosthetic foot. The left foot, dating back 1,500 years, is one of the oldest prosthetic limbs discovered in Europe. It was made of wood and the design incorporated an iron ring. Signs of wear and tear demonstrated that the foot was not a cosmetic funeral touch. The man once used it as a useful walking assistance to get around. The bottom half of his leg and foot were missing, but the healed bone indicated that he had survived the amputation and lived for at least 2 years. This was unusual because most people at the time would swiftly succumb to an infection after such a horrific procedure. A luxury toe. An old chapel can be found west of Luxor, Egypt. Important royal family members are buried here. Archaeologists discovered a priest's daughter in one of the tombs with a unique prosthetic, a highly realistic big toe. The appendage was fashioned by expert hands from wood and it was connected to the mummy's foot with high-quality straps. Aged roughly 3,000 years, the toe was soon recognized as one of the world's first prosthetics. In 2017, the artifact underwent a series of testing including computer imaging, X-rays, and contemporary microscopy. The analysis found that the carver was a brilliant artisan with extensive training in human anatomy, and that a genuine effort was made to present the woman with a natural-looking foot. The prosthetic's movement and comfort reflected the technical expertise. Indeed, the examinations revealed that the toe had been rebuilt multiple times to allow her to walk as regularly and comfortably as possible. The world's oldest prosthetic eye. In 2006, Iranian researchers discovered a historical site near Zebel. The crew was excavating the burnt city, a human habitation that dates back thousands of years, when they discovered a woman's 5,000-year-old skeleton. She was approximately 6 feet, 1.8 meters tall, which was exceptional for women at the period. One of her eyes, however, was very interesting. The left eye socket had an artificial eye constructed of animal fat and natural tar. The designer went to great efforts to make the globe realistic, including reproducing microscopic blood arteries with thin golden wires. The artifact was likewise wrapped in gold and carved with a circle representing the iris. The artificial eye, which is thought to be oldest in the world, was not installed after her death for cosmetic purposes. The young woman wore it frequently over the course of her 25 to 30-year life. 2 holes on either side of the eye likely held the eye in place during use, as did the presence of eyelid tissue on the prosthetic's surface.